Mr. Shanu Singh, hearty congratulations on securing All India Rank 2 in XC paper in the GATE examination 2022.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Shanu, please tell us what type of coaching program that you have availed from our AC Engineering Academy.
Sir, I availed an online test series of GATE 2021 and GATE 2022 for both the year. And I also purchased bits and bytes of ACE Academy, which was very helpful for concept building.
Okay. And Shanu, many students are saying about our ACE Academy Bits and Bytes booklet, and you also mentioned there. Can you please elaborate how this Bits and Bytes booklet helped you in your success?
Sir, in the bits and bytes booklets, the level of question is upper level than the previous year questions. So it will very helpful for building the concept and boosting the concept and building or boosting confidence.
Okay, because we have given there different varieties of questions. If you can solve those questions, will provide a good practice for you. Right.
Yes, sir. It also covers that questions that are not asked for various years. So it will also help to cover those concepts also.
Yeah, from untapped areas also we gave some certain question bank there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good, Shanu. And also, please tell us how this ACE Academy online test series helped you in securing that All India rank number 2 in the GATE examination.
Sir, the level of questions in the ACE test series is exactly equal to the GATE exam interface, and there are also feature of asking doubts if you have any tough questions and you are stuck in any question, and there are video solutions available for the tough questions, so which is very helpful for understanding the concept, and it will also help to learn various things, various new concepts.
Right. And one more, Shanu, this in ACE test series there are many tests are there, more than 100 tests are there. We have topic wise, we have subject wise, and also we have full length test and all. So yes, how could you schedule all these tests? When did you take that topic wise test? When you take the subject wise test? When do you take the full length test? The scheduling.
Sir, I started giving tests from April. So in April, May, June, I completed topic wise test, and after 2 to 3 months, I take a subject wise test, and from October and November, I started full length test.
Achha. So that is how you have used that all the tests there.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. You have said that you started taking the test from April onwards. Can you please tell us your educational background and when did you pass out your degree?
So currently, I am in final year from Kamla Nehru Institute of Technology, Sultanpur in UP.
Oh, right. My goodness. You are a final year student.
Yes, sir.
So final year student securing All India rank number 2 means that is something very good achievement, Shanu. You deserve all the appreciation. I hope you must be a mechanical engineering student, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was your rank in mechanical engineering paper?
508.
508 in mechanical, but All India rank number 2 in the XC paper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Can you tell us, Shanu, why you wanted to appear in both GATE papers? Any specific reason from your side?
So sometimes due to pressure, paper goes wrong and not goes according to us. Mainly I focus on mechanical engineering, but the syllabus of both the paper are almost same. So I decided to give XC paper as a backup.
Right, very good, right. So Shanu, can you tell us something about the basic difference that you observed between the XC paper and the mechanical paper? So that some of the juniors of you, if when they watch this video, they get some idea about these two papers, XC and mechanical. What difference did you notice in the GATE examination?
Sir, in mechanical, the syllabus is large as compared to XC. And XC paper we have to prepare only 2 subjects. And the level of question in mathematics are tough in XC paper than in mechanical paper.
What are the technical subjects we have in XC paper? We have technical paper.
Solid mechanics and thermodynamics.
Solid mechanics, and then nothing but the strength of materials, and then thermodynamics.
Yes, sir.
What are the stand of those questions in our XC paper compared to your GATE mechanical paper?
This year, the level of questions in XC is easier than mechanical paper because mechanical paper was tougher in this year.
Okay, okay, right. So that's what is really reflected in our rank also. XC
Yes,
All India rank number 2, mechanical 508. Okay, very good. And Shanu, you tell us because you are now pursuing the final year,
yes,
I
sir.
think you are the right person to say something to your juniors who want to prepare for the gate examination, maybe in the third year or final year like that. So, as a successful candidate, what suggestion that you want to give to your juniors regarding the preparation when they have to start second year, third year? What is your advice to them?
Sir, starting early is very good because if we start from second year, then we don't have to rush too fast to complete the syllabus. We can easily handle all the subjects with very good concepts.
Actually,
And
when did you start your preparation for gate examination?
actually, I decided to prepare GATE from first year, but in first year, I took those subjects which are in the semester exams. I only solved the previous year questions of that subjects only. And from second year after the lockdown, I started dedicated preparation.
So you have started preparation from second year onwards.
Yes,
Yeah. What do you advise to students? Will you advise the same thing for the student for your juniors also?
yes, sir. From second year is the best way to
Okay.
prepare.
So how one should schedule their what you call university syllabus preparation as well as the gate preparation syllabus? They have to go simultaneously, hand in hand, isn't it? How many hours you have to spend on the university syllabus and how many hours you have to spend on the gate examination preparation? Can you tell something about this?
Sir, almost 50, 60 to 70% syllabus in both are same. So if we prepare for GATE, our university exam concept are already clear. Before 1 week or 2 week in the semester exam, we can easily handle all the subjects for semester exam.
Okay. What about the rest of the subjects? You
Rest
have
of
many other
the
subjects. How did you handle them in the third year, finally, third year, second year, and all?
while preparing GATE 1 to 2 hour daily, giving those subject or attending the lectures of the teachers while regularly will help to understand the concept.
Okay, right. So you mean to say that if you focus on GATE syllabus, automatically the university syllabus is covered.
Okay, little effort is required in university exam only,
Okay, right.
not much.
Okay. Now, on an average daily, how many hours you used to spend on the GATE examination? How many hours you used to spend on the university syllabus preparation? Approximately.
6 to 7, approximately 6 to 7 hour for GATE and 1 to 2 hour for university exam. But during university examination, more time is required for university exam.
Yes, obvious, right? That is also
Yes,
equally important examination of university, isn't it? I think
yes,
this will be a good session for the many juniors. So, as Shanu Singh said, he used to spend daily 6 to 7 hours on the GATE syllabus and 1 to 2 hours on the university syllabus. Of course, it should be actually student specific, but in general, you can take to some extent the guideline given by Mr. Shanu Singh, right? Mr. Shanu, you please tell us. While preparing for this gate examination, did you prepare any short notes, something as such?
yes, sir. I prepare.
For each subject, you have prepared short note.
Yes, sir.
So, how often you used to revise them in the revision process?
When the time is less, in the last 2 months, I usually prefer short notes only. And after revising from short notes, I give test and full length test.
Okay. So, suppose in the full length test or any test, let us say, yes, test
Okay.
series, we have so many exams there. So,
Yes.
whenever you got any low marks, any disappointing rank, etc., so how you used to react, how you used to wake up from that effect?
Sir, always think that when I get good marks, my confidence is increased, and when I get low marks, my mistakes is improved, and some new concept I will learn. In both the way, I am getting something.
So you need to say that you mean to say that you need to have some positive approach, right? One can learn a
Yes,
lot
sir.
from their mistakes.
Yes, sir.
One can learn a lot from their mistakes. That's what you did from your mistakes, what you used to do in your test series, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. See, in your mechanical, there are so many subjects, isn't it? Did you
Yes, sir.
cover all entire syllabus equally?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I cover all syllabus.
So entire subjects, all the syllabus you have covered in detail.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. One more point. You said that you have prepared some short notes for the each subject. Short notes means in your case, how many pages approximately for one subject? Let us say, for example, some or food mechanics, anything like machine design,
In
something.
three, yes, sir, 3 to 4 pages of A4 size paper, 3 to 4 pages each subject.
3 to 4. Is it sufficient?
Some lengthier subject required 5 to 6 or on
Yeah.
an average 3 to 4.
Okay. Say, for example, you have prepared a short notes 3 to 4 pages. So, what
Yes, sir.
information you used to incorporate in that 3 to 4 pages? Can I know? Only formula or
First,
anything else?
sir, formula and some key points so that while revising by seeing the key points, I remember all the concept regarding that key points.
Okay, right, good. And one more, Shanu, in the last 1 week to 10 days before the actual examination,
Yes, sir.
what was your mode of preparation?
In last 10 days, I usually revise short notes and 2 to 3 full length tests I had given, and some star mark question that previously I have marked. I revised that question.
Mainly you spent on the revision process, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What was your strategy on the day of examination? So,
Uh,
yeah.
I first solve 1 mark question first, and whichever I know, and then I solve 2 mark questions which are easy. After that, whatever questions are tough or which I think that it take more time to solve, then I attempted that questions.
Okay. No, generally, this some students, this aptitude paper, some students they try in the beginning, some students they try it in the end. What was your approach?
I tried in the end because my aptitude was weak. English portion was weak in aptitude, so I attempt that in last.
Mhm. And one more, Shanu, in your XC paper, you got all India rank number 2. So how many marks you have got totally?
91.67.
91.67 marks in the XC paper. What
Yes,
was
sir.
your score?
Score 951.
951. Okay. In mechanical, you got a rank of 508, 508. So
Yes,
how many marks you have got and what was the score?
64.14 marks and a score is 755.
755. Okay, right. So I think some specializations are there where XC and as well as mechanical engineering, both the papers are eligible to join the
Yes,
MTech admission.
yes, sir.
What is your plan? Which one you want to use? First of all, let me know. Are you planning to join any PSC job? Otherwise, going for MTech admission?
Sir, go MTech admission.
MTech admission, right?
Yes,
Because some of the PSUs they don't take this your XC paper, I think, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So you'll be using XC paper to join some MTech specialization. So
Yes,
which
sir.
specialization you are seeking now?
Machine design.
Machine design. I think only in some IITs you are eligible with the XC paper, I think, right?
All I except IIT Delhi, all IITs are allowed.
Yes, right. There are some restrictions I have seen that a
Yes, sir.
few IITs they require mechanical paper. In the rest of the IITs you can join machine design also with your XC paper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, Shanu. You have shared many useful points through this video. I think those students who watch our discussion will get some benefit out of our discussion, especially because you took XC paper, mechanical paper, and you brought some difference, right? What you
Yes, sir.
have discussed. I think very good. So I once again congratulate you, Mr. Shanu, and also I wish you good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you,
Thank,
sir.
thank you very much. God bless you, Shanu. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.